Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write an essay on importance of sports. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is sports promote physical fitness and healthy lifestyle. Second line is they reduce the risk of various health problems like obesity and heart diseases. Third line is sports teach valuable life lessons such as discipline, dedication, and teamwork. Fourth line is they help to improve mental well-being, reduce anxiety, and boost self-confidence. Fifth line is they can bring people from diverse backgrounds together. Sixth line is they offer a sense of belonging and community. Seventh line is they have the power to inspire and motivate people. Eighth line is they serve as a source of national pride and identity. Next line is through sports, individuals can explore and develop their talents, passions, and interests. Last line is, this will ultimately lead to a more fulfilling and well rounded life.